Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a blurry horizontal shake effect on CapCut only by using animations and effects. So here, you just need to add the clips. In this case, I'm using 2 clips, but you can always use more. Then click on the first clip, go to animation, and in here click on out for the first clip, out, and choose the paddling animation. This one, adjust it only for 0.4 seconds. Now for the second clip, animation, add the paddling animation but under the in category. So this is the contrary from the first clip. Set it for 0.4 seconds, and now go in between the clips, go to the video effect, then add the oblique blur that you can find under the opening and closing category. This one, oblique blur, make it short like this. Now click on the effect, object, choose all videos. Add a keyframe at the start, set the blur to 50 and rotate 25. Okay, now at the second keyframe in the middle here in between the clips, set the blur to 100 but rotate, don't change it, and on the last keyframe set the blur to 0. And you are done. So this will be the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.